Kia ora folk. I'm just going to make you a quick video on what the latest is in Microsoft Teams. So going to start down at New Conversation within the posts. I'm going to click on the Format icon and then choose Announcement. Now, as many of you know, we can choose an illustration, and what you'll now notice is we've got three categories, and so we've got a bunch of new banners, brightly coloured, cool icons, lots of different banners we can choose to attract our students' attention. So that's going to be handy. Now let's focus in on the Meet aspect of Teams. So I'm in the Setup panel at the moment, and this is the area that you can choose your audio and video settings. And as you can see, I've already chosen my video setting. I've put myself in my favourite inner city apartment, and I am using the computer audio. I can also rename our meeting. Alright, let's join. So I'm going to show you some new features within here. The first thing you're going to notice is at the top of the page, you've now got your icons. So we've got some that we're accustomed to and a few new things. We've got our participants, we've got our chat. This is an emoji area, and within a meeting, when you've got some participants, they can put their hand up, and around their picture appears a yellow border. So as the meeting leader, you will notice that, and you might then say you can come off mute and ask your question or make your comments. So that's really cool to have. There's also some other little icons, so someone might have said something funny, so you can show that, or something that you think, yep, that's really cool. And so it makes your meetings more interactive, even though people are on mute, because they can interact using the emojis and also chat. Now, breakout rooms we're going to come back to in a moment. Wherever there are three dots, there are more actions. So there's bits and pieces that you can look at there, including start recording. So if you're wanting to record your meeting. Let's have a look at presentation mode. The one thing I want to highlight here is what the fact that if you choose a PowerPoint, so I'll just grab one up. As the presenter, you can be presenting in presentation mode. So if your PowerPoint has notes, the notes can be showing up. You can see the slides that are coming up, and you can also have visible the chat. So that is new. So people can be chatting away in the sideline, asking questions, and you can be answering them on the go. So that's really handy. So we'll get out of presentation mode now, and having done that, you might decide with your group that you're wanting to have some small group discussion. And here are our breakout rooms. So much easier than what we had last year. So you can choose the number of rooms you want. So let's say 3 for argument's sake. You can decide whether you want the program to randomly assign people to different rooms, or whether you want to manually assign them yourself. Then you can create your rooms and off you go. So I can't demonstrate that at the moment because I am in a meeting of one. Anyway, I think it would be really useful to have a bit of a play around yourself if you've got your own solo team, and then also have a bit of a trial around team meetings with your classes, just in case. So there you go, some new bits and pieces. Alrighty, happy days.